Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all keeping fine. I am Sukulam Ram. This video clip is part 2 of Computer Standard 3. My dear students, kindly open your book, chapter 2, page number 18. Today we shall learn about icons. First of all, I shall read out the chapter and you follow me. Icons. Icons are the small pictures on the desktop. These are used to open programs, files, and folders directly with double click. Some of the icons present on Windows 7 desktop are computer, network, recycle bin, documents, etc. Computer. Double clicking this icon takes you to a window. This window gives information about folders, storage devices, hardware, hard drives, etc. Network. This icon takes you to a window that shows different networks connected with your computer. Page number 19. Recycle bin. This icon takes you to a window that displays files and folders that have been deleted. Selecting and deselecting icons. Follow the given step to select an icon. Using the left mouse button, click the icon you want to select. It will change into light blue color. This shows that the icon has been selected. Follow the given steps to deselect an icon. Click the left button of the mouse anywhere away from the selected icon. It will change to its original color. This shows that the icon has been deselected. Hiding and unhiding the desktop icons. To hide the desktop icons, follow these steps. Step 1. Right click on the desktop, click on View. Step 2. Click on Show Desktop Icons to uncheck it. All icons disappear as soon as you uncheck the Show Desktop Icons option. Step 3. To make the icons reappear on the desktop, click on the Show Desktop Icons option again. Page number 20. Taskbar. A horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. The taskbar has different sections. The left end of the taskbar has the Start button. In the middle section of the taskbar, you can add application buttons. Clicking on the application button will open the program quickly. This section also shows programs that are currently open or running. This allows us to switch between them easily. The right end of the taskbar is called the notification area or notification bar. This area shows the clock, a group of buttons showing status and notification about the network connection, system updates, speaker volume, etc. The extreme right of the taskbar has a small vertical button called Show Desktop. On clicking this button, all open windows are minimized and the desktop is displayed. Start button. The start button is on the bottom left side of the taskbar. This button gives you access to different programs on your computer. When you click on the start button, the start menu appears. The start menu gives access to documents, Windows applications, Windows help and support menu, and much more. You can also switch off the computer using the shutdown option on the start menu. Page number 21. Notification bar or area. This is the extreme right portion of the taskbar. This area shows icons for those system and program features that cannot be shown on the desktop. Some common icons displayed in the notification bar are sound or speaker volume, network connection, antivirus update notification, Windows update notification. The icons and the notifications displayed in this area can be changed. It is also possible to hide or unhide them. Once you hide the icons, you will not receive any notification regarding any changes or upgrades. Quick launch bar. This bar allows you to open a program quickly with a single click. It has shortcut icons of the programs that are used frequently. Gadgets. A gadget is a small interactive picture that can be placed on the desktop to show information required by the user. Examples of gadgets are calendar, clock, picture puzzles, Windows Media, etc. To display a gadget, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right click anywhere on the blank area on the desktop. A shortcut menu is displayed. Step 2. Choose the gadgets option. Step 3. Double click a gadget to add it, or right click on the gadget and choose the add option. My dear students, let us know more. Icons. What is icon? My dear students, icons are small pictures that we see on the desktop. These are used to open programs, files, or folders directly with double clicking of left mouse button on it. Computer, network, recycle bin, and documents are some icons of Windows 7 desktop. Then computer. Computer is an icon, gives information about folders, storage devices, and hard drives, etc. Then network. Network icon shows different network connection with the computer. The recycle bin. This icon shows files and folders which are deleted. Then selecting and deselecting icons. How to select an icon or how to deselect an icon. My dear students, to select an icon we should use left mouse button and single click on the icon. then icon color will be changed into light blue color. And to deselecting an icon, we should click left mouse button once away from the selected icon and it will change its original color. Then hiding and unhiding icon. How to hide and how to unhide the icons. To hide an icon, we should follow the following steps. Step 1, right click on the desktop and left click on view. Then step 2, click on show desktop icons to uncheck, and as soon as all desktop icons disappear. Then step 3, to unhide an icon, again we click on show desktop icons option, and as soon as icons will reappear. Then taskbar, a horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. It has different sections and start button is located left end of the taskbar. Right end of the taskbar is called notification area or notification bar. Notification area shows the clock about network connection, system updates, speaker or volume, etc. Then start button. Start button is situated left side of the taskbar. When we click on start button, gives access to documents, Windows application, Windows help and support menu, and much more. Also shutdown option on the start menu. Notification bar or area. My dear students, we know the right side of the taskbar is known as notification bar or area. Some common icon displayed in the notification area, which icons cannot be shown on the desktop, such as sound and speaker volume, network connection, antivirus update notification, Windows update notification, etc. Then quick launch bar. Quick launch bar allows to open a program quickly with a single click, and it has shortcut icons of the program. Then gadgets. A gadget is a small interactive picture that can be placed on the desktop to show information required by the user. To display a gadget, we should follow the following steps. Step 1, we should right click anywhere on the desktop and shortcut menu will appear. Then step 2, we should choose the gadget option. Then step 3, we right click on the gadget and choose the add option.